besties, let us eat together. Let's cook. Let us share recipes. Let us share cooking tips. Let us just enjoy life and see what is happening in and around us. Restaurants that are akhona la eMzansi esizowavakashela mina nawe. Ingakho-ke ngicela ukuthi ngicela uyosubscribe kuleya channel, Foodgasm channel. Nayo eyala ekhaya ibizwa ngani What's Cooking. Please go and subscribe to that channel. Kanti ke ngizobe ngenze iphutha elimbi uma ukuthi ngiyakuyeka wena umlandeli wale channel, ngikuyeka uhluphekela amadatha, ngikuyeka uhluphekele imali yokuthi uzidotose udle into ezimnandi like this. Join Dream Team. Avbob Dream Team is the only thing that will make sense in your life. Ukukhipha ehluphekeni ngoba you will be working in your phone in your spare time as an Avbob Dream Team connector, simply by sharing a link yakho to other people who wants to do something like you and help other people take their funeral policy. And that way, when each and every person that switches to Cell-C, that take the funeral cover, you get paid for them. To join Avbob Dream Team only costs you 100 Rand. And on top of that, you must make sure that you take your funeral policy so that you can ring up fast and start getting paid. Go like a bestie. I just want to find out, do you have a bestie? Let's call me more bestie today.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalola lwezibhekane zona isihambela lekude phezulu. Do join.
It's a story time. It's a story. It's a story time. Yeah. Nalo-ke leli khala liyiphatha kabi. Ake nilikhuze phela. Khumbula ukuthi izitori zala ekhaya, izitori zakhaya, izitori ezikhulisayo, izitori ezikhuthazayo. Kanti-ke nawe, if une-story ofisa ukusisharisha kanye nathi, please do write to us. Please do send us a voice note on 071 941 9417. Kanti-ke, if kukuthi uyasaba ukuza i-podcast in front of the camera, singakusharela isitori sakho khona la and make your life much more easier, especially if you know ukuthi you've got a life-changing story. Kanti-ke, one person who cared enough ukusinikeza isitori sakhe esi-life changing ilo sisi lo. Unayo umngani? Do you have a bestie? What is a bestie? Ngizwa abantu bekhuluma ngo-bestie. Oh, bestie. Yini bestie kahle kahle? Yini umsebenzi we-bestie? Lo sisi impilo yakhe change forever because of a bestie. Uthi sisandile. I had a bestie. Well, I thought she was my bestie. Lo muntu lo sikhule ndawonye, abazali bethu bangabangane, siya kuma vacations together. Sikhule emakhaya right financially. Saze sangisho noma sesiya emavasithi bethi ngathi samawele because besilingana nange-age. Noma sesiya emavasithi abazali bethu benza sure ukuthi siyofunda endaweni eyi-1, even though we're not doing ama-course afanayo. But benza sure ukuthi siyendaweni eyi-1 because bebengafuni ukuthi mesifika le emavasithi sibe corrupt, simithe abantu esingabazi. They felt ukuthi stability is what's going to keep us grounded. Were they right? Yes, abazali bethu babeqinisile ngempela ngoba ukufika e-university usunomngani wakho eni-understandanayo naye nizokhuzana naye was much better than ukuthi uhlangane nabantu ongabazi abazokufaka ey'ntweni ezi-wrong nobo kade ungenayo inhloso yokuthi ugcine ungena kuzona, especially izinto eziyimdakamizwa nokuqoma wrong. Kodwa-ke uthi-ke all this time umngani wami, I have noticed ukuthi into abekade ngenayo kahle inhlanhla kuyona was inhlanhla yabantu besilisa. Kuthe mase kufika nje isikhathi sokuthi siqome ngoba thi mina nomngane siqala ukuqoma ke sesike university shembe siziphethe kahle kona kufananga ngoba noma besiqomile high school kodwa besingekho serious, bekuyilo mqomo nje ukuthi umqomo wokudlala. So awuzange ube serious umqomo wethu. So sitheme sesifike varsity ila siqale khona ke ukubona umhlaba sesinawo nanenkulu ngoba phela amakhaya besiphuma kona abe street besigadwa kakhulu, nendawo besihlala kuyona bewindawo nje ekumasabhabhu songaphuma phumi noma kanjani kuyona. So besingama cheese girl nje siphila kahle, sigadwa uthathwa from point A to point B, yonke into ofuna ukuyenza noma usiwe salon umama besihambisa. It's either my mom or my friends, my mom's friend bekasihambisa, but there was always somebody around us. Ingakho sikhulisa abantwana abebengisilona uvanzi. Uthi-ke inkinga iqale mase siqala ukuvuleka, sesibona sesike university, sesiqala nokuqoma. Umngane ebeqoma wrong yena, shame benebhajanyana lokuqoma ngoba ngiyakhumbula masijole university umfana oqala nje owambreak up intombi bakhe e-university wamehetha lo mfana wakhe. Kuthe noma eseqhubeka nempilo edlulela phambili kwacaca ukuthi hayi kuningi okungamhambeli kahle, kwaze wafikelela isikhathi-ke sokuthi-ke manje sesifika esigabeni sokuthi la ngabe siyashada khona. At that time ithi ngixoxa lesi sandile ukuthi umuntu mina engangishada naye ngamthola ngihamba naye umngane. Simthola kanjani na? Ngikutshelile ukuthi besama-cheese girl, besiyilezo zinto nje ezihamba ama-brunch, we are meeting up for lunch, we are meeting up for sleepovers, for dinner. Umuntu lo engikhuluma ngayo omngane wami ubene-access kuyona yonke into yami, nami ngine-access kuyona yonke into yakhe. Une-speki se-apartment yami, nami ngokunjalo. Ayikho into angayazi endlini yami kangangokuthi uyilo muntu lo ebekuthi uma ngabe kuthiwa khona owenze wrong phakathi kwethu, kuthiwe ubunobani, kufanele makucace ukuthi ubunozibani bani, wakiyeka kanjani wenza into wrong ekhona. Besiyiloyo nhlobo yabantu. It's okay, iqhubeka ke impilo, kube mnandi kube nje yaya. Mina-ke I'm closer to getting married. Lo muntu engizishada naye sahlangana naye e-restaurant. Le restaurant sasihamba naye uBestie lo, siphume out for a morning brunch. So uBestie masifika lapha e-restaurant sayafica khona labo bhuti abakhona nababadlayo, and bayi-2 nabo bagcine sebesijoyina behlala kanye nathi. They ended up paying our bill even though we were affording to pay our own bill, but why not if guys are willing to spend their money on us? Yeah. So mina that's how I met my husband. Yena uBestie lo wamngane womfana lo wayehamba naye washela, kodwa wabona kusho ukuthi kwacaca ukuthi ukushela kwakho ukushela nje kokudlulisa ihluthi ngoba nako sehlangene nentombi. Kuthi from there emjolweni-ke umjolo wakho ungahambi kahle umngane, kusho ukuthi mina ngangingazi, kusho ukuthi umngane ibimhlupha lento, ibimphatha kabuhlungu to a point ukuthi wagcina enomona. Kangangokuthi wayeze asho aphimisela athi hey mngane, ngiyakujabulela ukuthi usuzoshada, kodwa nje ukuthi nje usuzoshada usuzongishiya ngedwa mina, kazi mina kwakhala nyonini ngoba bonke abantu engihlangana nabo ngihlangana nezipoki nje ezingigilayo. Uthi ngathi kuyena ayikhululeka mngane, sizofika nawe sakhe isikhathi and kuzoba nje nakuwe. Uthi one silly day kwakuzoba i-birthday yakhe and babeplane to go away for a weekend, yena noBestie lo. And my plan to go away for a weekend yena noBestie wayezodlula, wayezothatha ibag kaBestie ngoba bezohamba ngemoto yakhe, and then yena bese zophuma emsebenzini ntamba mase pick up uBestie kowakhe umsebenzi and then bahambe. Uthi uma ngizosuka emsebenzini mina sengizohamba sengiyolanda uBestie, sengiphuma emsebenzini sesilungiselela ukuthi siyahamba ku weekend away because that day was gonna be my birthday the following day. Angazi kwenzakalani, engikhumbulayo ukuthi ngavuka sengivuka esibhedlela njengoba ningibona nginje. Ngavuka sengivuka esibhedlela kwi-investigation kwavela ukuthi uBestie had stolen ispeki semoto yami. Makashontsha ispeki semoto yami, ndoda thizeni yangena e-basement ya-temperature with ama-brakes wemoto yami. Khumbula ukuthi siphuma nje for a birthday a night ngalo weekend leyo, for a birthday weekend away ngalo weekend leyo. 2 months down the line mina ngangizoshada naleya ndoda esasihlangane naye e-restaurant le yena eyakhe eyamlahla along the line. Uthi Bestie waqasha umuntu wa-temperature with brakes. Kwathi uma ngabe sendleleni esuka emsebenzini eseyolanda uBestie ukuthi bazohamba baye kuleyo birthday weekend away, wahlangana ne-accident, ama-brakes wakhe wathi uthi uyabamba ama-brakes erobotini awangabambeka, kanti nati i-truck liza langena laphelela i-truck kuyena right on the driver's side, wa-end up njengoba simbona nje. Uthi akugcinanga lapho, uBestie wami loyo mina ngesikhathi ngikwikhoma wa-organizer ikhona into abantu abaye bayenze uma ngabe umuntu esegule isikhathi eside Angikho sho ukuthi ibizwa ngani, ngicela ningikhorekise ngegama eli-right ila lesiZulu noma lesingisi. Abanye bayibiza nge-awakening. Kodwa kusuke kuwukuthi umuntu uyakhulekelela ukuthi aphaphame, ngoba uthi lo sisi lo waba kwi-coma for 4 months esesibhedlela nje ekwi-coma enganyakazi engenzi lutho. Umngane wuyo wa-organizer leyo nto. Wathi me-organizer loyo into lowo mkhuleko wakhe we-awakening ntoni ukuthi aphaphame. Surprise abantu kunawo wonke ukuthi kwathi mase ama-proceedings osuku eseqhubeka, aqhubeka kwakungazi ukuthi i-memorial service kodwa engakofi. Uthi kwamangala kwaze kwamangala ngisho abazali babo boyithu babukana ukuthi hayibo kwenzakalani la, ngoba lo muntu usaphila, why uzibani bani meka organizer, ngoba yonke into waye organizer yena ngokwakhe, and izinto eziningi bazibona sekusekugcineni, ngoba yabona abazali bose mangabe besenkingeni and ingqondo yabo ifocus kulo muntu kufanele aphile, they would not have picked up some of the things that lo sisi ayizenzile. So kwenzeka ukuthi usisi lo a-organize yonke into ngendlela yakhe, ukuthi bathi mase befunda into yabamangaza nje kunawo wonke, i-program that looked like a memorial service program ebhalwe i-obituary, nama-speakers amabili amathathu. Ispeaker sokuqala kwakuwuyena, ispeaker sesibili kuthiwa kwakubani, ngazi kwakumfundisi, kodwa nje ilokhunjana yakhona kwakungesiyona yomuntu, i-program kwakungesiyona yomuntu ozokhulekelela ukuthi aphile, kwakuyi-program yomuntu ozovaleliswa osefile, kwangazi ukuthi memorial service. And uthi lo program leyo uma wakhe wambekela wona wayibona esevukile esephumile kwikhoma, uthi wamkhombisa mhlambe after a year lo nto yenzeka, after a very long time yenzeka, ngoba wayengafuni ukumhethamisa ubuhlungu ukuthi umngani wakhe ayemthembile, ubhesti wakhe wamenza kanje. Uthi okunye-ke ukuthi awuphelanga wona lowo nyaka lowo, yena esasebhizi recover kwikhoma nani. Bhesti ndini lo wathi uphela lowo nyaka wayeseshade nendoda yakhe, ngoba wayene-access ezintweni zakhe le endlini, nokuthi abazali abazange banake ngoba vele they were close. Lo wamuva in kwi-apartment yabhesti wakhe ohlala khona, ethi it's because it's inama-memories womngani wakhe and uyamkhumbula, so she's praying for her and what not. Kanti njengoba emuva in kwi-apartment yakhe, umuva in ukuthi uyovulela nendoda yakhe imilenze ngapha, ngoba phela indoda kusho ukuthi yayifika nayo, yabo uma ufuna ukuba around umuntu ogulayo, kuye kuthiwe abanye abantu baye bathanda ukuthi ayohlala espacini sakhe. So kusho ukuthi indoda kuthiwa yayimane yenza leyo nto, kanti lo ugijima uyohlala khona ngoba ufuna ukuthi indoda mayifika ifice kukhona yena. Wathi uphela lowo nyaka ubhesti wakhe wayeseshade nendoda yakhe, emuve in kwi-apartment yakhe, waphuma ngoba sebeshadile. Wathi lo eqambe recover from i-coma wayesenengane yendoda yakhe. Yonke lento le yenzeka ngokuphazema kweso, lo uyagula akako-recover nakahle. Abazali basa-frustrated, bazama ukuthi lo a-recover kuyona yonke lento. Akabatshelanga nabazali bakhe-ke manje ukuthi useshade nendoda kalo, bahambile bayobhala yonke lento bayenza behind the backs of everyone else, because wayazi ukuthi yonke lento ayenza yayi-wrong. Ngisaphinda ngiyakubuza, unaye yini ubhesti? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Do you have a bestie? Mina nangu wami ubhesti. My bestie is food. Food has never wronged me, not even once. Engakho ngicela ukuthi asihlangane-ke kwi-cooking channel. What's Cooking is a foodgasm channel. Everything called food, you'll find it there. Love and peace.